square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Very good. Then a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. Is this clear? याद रखना यहाँ पे जब माइनस है ना तो यहाँ पे सब पॉजिटिव है. थर्ड, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. This remains the same. ये माइनस है और ये प्लस है. But यहाँ पे a square minus ab plus b square. Then fourth is a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 is equal to a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Further you can expand this, but अभी के लिए इतना लिखो. What is a minus b? Under root of a plus under root of b, under root of a minus under root of b. Okay, ये square था तो ये a हो गया, तो ये a है तो ये हो जाएगा under root of a. Is this clear? Now, extra मेरी तरफ से a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Very good. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 8. A minus b the whole cube. Binomial method use कर लेते 3c0, 3c1, 3c2 and 3c3. A and then b, a b, a b, a b. Now 0 1 2 3, 3 2 1 0, 0 1 2 3. Now इससे क्या बनता है हमारा पहला? This is 1 3 3 1. So a cube. फिर ये नेगेटिव है ना तो पहला प्लस दूसरा माइनस. A square into b and this is 3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and then minus plus minus plus minus. This is 1 b cube. B cube can be minus. यहाँ पे a cube minus 3 है तो 3c1, 3c0, 3c1. So 3 आ गया. A square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Got it? And 9 a plus b the whole cube. Same a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Section D. Okay, we'll start with the first one. 1. Limit x approaches 1. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now, if we take x is equal to 1, what happens to function f of x? It becomes 0, which is indeterminate. So we will go for what? We will go for factorizing. सिर्फ हमें न्यूमरेटर को ही फैक्टराइज करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को करने की जरूरत नहीं. तुम डायरेक्टली करेंगे. अगर तुम डिनोमिनेटर को भी फैक्टराइज कर सकते हो तो डायरेक्ट सम्स में मत करना. पहले न्यूमरेटर का फैक्टराइज करना, फिर डिनोमिनेटर का करना, फिर उसको लिख के कैंसिल आउट करना. गॉट इट? ऐसा मेथड टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दिया है. विल फॉलो बिकॉज़ वो सिस्टमैटिक हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. नाउ f of x is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1 4, but here we have negative, so which is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Always cross verify. इसको स्प्लिट किया तो ये बराबर आ रहा है कि नहीं देख लेना. Okay, which is equal to what is common over here? 3x common दोनों में. X minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1 upon x minus 1, which is equal to 3x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Cancel. X minus 1 is not equal to 0. Now, f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So therefore, f of x is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Answer. Question 2. Limit x approaches 3, x minus 3 upon 2x square minus 3x minus 9. If we take x is equal to 3, f of x becomes 0 because 3 minus 3 is 0, which is indeterminate. Hence we'll go for factorizing. So limit x approaches 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. अब इसको factorize कर सकते हैं. 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are. So 2x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 9, which is equal to limit x approaches 3, x minus 3. 2x is common. 2x x minus 3 plus 3x minus 3. So limit x approaches 3, x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3, x minus 3. Favorite step. X minus 3 is not equal to 0. So cancel it, which is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 3. We substitute is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 3 equal to 1 upon 9. Answer. Question 4. Limit x approaches 1, x square plus 2x minus 3 upon x square minus 1. If x is equal to 1, f of x becomes 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, पूरा solve करने की जरूरत नहीं, कहीं पे भी देख लो 0 आ गया तो 0 हो गया. Now, this indeterminate. So we have to factorize now. Numerator, denominator, both we can factorize. So first we'll go for numerator. Numerator x square plus 2x minus 3a. कैसे करेंगे इसको factorize? ये 2, 3 ones are 3. So x square plus 3x minus 3. x common है. x common है. So x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3, which is what? X minus 1 and x plus 3. So we keep this in mind. Denominator x square minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1. Therefore, limit x approaches 1, x square plus 2x minus 3 upon x square minus 1 is equal to numerator x minus 1 x plus 3 upon x minus 1 x plus 1. X minus 1 is not equal to 0. Obviously 0 nahi hai. Okay, otherwise everything will become 0, which is equal to x plus 3 upon x plus 1, which is equal to x is 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Question 6. X approaches minus 3. 2x square plus 9x plus 9 upon 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now if we take x is equal to, if x is equal to minus 3, f of x becomes what? It becomes 0, which is indeterminate. Determine नहीं कर सकते हम. So we factorize numerator 2x square plus 9x plus 9, which is equal to 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18, so 2x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 9, which is equal to 2x common, x plus 3 plus 3 common, x plus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 3, x plus 3. Numerator आ गया. Denominator 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now कैसे करोगे? 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1 is also 6. So 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. 2x x plus 3 plus 1 x plus 3, which is 2x plus 1 x plus 3. Now we go to this limit x approaches minus 3, 2x square plus 9x plus 9 upon 2x square plus 7x plus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 3 x plus 3 upon 2x plus 1 x plus 3. X plus 3 is not equal to 0, right? Because so what you're left is 2x plus 3 upon 2x plus 1, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 plus 1. ये सब steps लिख रहा है. Okay, don't use shortcut कि यहाँ से कैंसी पे करके आंसर लिख दिया. Which is equal to minus 6 plus 3 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 by. Section D, page 164, question number 9. Limit x approaches 0, 1 upon x, 5x plus 14 upon 3x plus 7 minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon x, 5x plus 14. इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Minus 2 into 3x plus 7 whole upon 3x plus 7 equal to 1 by x. 5x plus 14 minus 6x minus 14 upon 3x plus 7, which is equal to 1 by x. This will become 0. What about this? 0 minus x upon 3x plus 7 is equal to 1 by x minus x upon 3x plus 7. Cancel is equal to minus 1 upon 3x plus 7 minus 1 upon what is x? 0 plus 7 is equal to minus 1 upon 7. Answer. Question 10. Limit x approaches to 2 upon x minus 2 minus 4 x square minus 2x is equal to 2 upon x minus 2 minus 4 upon x common, x minus 2, which is equal to, now we will take x into x minus 2 as the LCM, multiply over here, so this will become 2x minus 4 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 x minus 2 upon x minus 2 x minus 2 cancel because x minus 2 is not equal to 0. So we are left with what? 2 upon x, which is equal to 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1. Question 11. Limit x approaches 0. 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 by x, which is equal to 1 plus 2 upon x यहाँ पे multiply हो जाएगा, so 3x plus 4 upon x is equal to 1 plus x यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, so 2 plus x, 3x plus 4, we cross multiply, so 3x plus 4 plus 2x upon 3x plus 4 equal to 5x plus 4, 3x plus 2x, 5x upon 3x plus 4, x approaches 0, so 5 into 0 plus 4 upon 3 into 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. Now, very important formula. The formula is x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. If it is given like this, we directly write n into a raised to n minus 1. If we have a similar equation like this, where limit x tends to a, x minus a, x minus a, x raised to n, a raised to n, then directly n into a raised to n minus 1. Now come to this sum. Question number 12. Page number 165, section D. ध्यान देना. X raised to 4 minus p raised to 4 upon x raised to 3 plus p raised to 3. Now over here, we take x raised to 4 as it is this p, we will take as minus p raised to 4 upon x raised to 3, x raised to 3 minus p raised to 3. Here, what I want is plus p raised to 3. So I'll take minus p raised to 3, which will be ultimately minus p. And minus of minus will become plus. So does it make a difference? Understood this now? Okay, now this we will multiply with x minus p upon x minus p. This is a very important step. Ultimately तो cancel हो जाएगा. Now what we will do is x raised to 4 minus p raised to 4 upon this, I'll take over here x minus p. This multiply, I'll make it divide. Understood this? So divide what? X raised to 3 minus p raised to 3 upon x minus p. Now can I compare it with this formula? We use the rule x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. So over here, what is n? N is 4. So 4 into minus p, this is a raised to what? N minus 1, which is 3. Divide, so upon 3 into minus p, 3 minus 1 is 2, which is equal to 4, cancel, 4 into minus p upon 3. फिर से एक बार x raised to 4 minus p raised to 4 upon x raised to 3 plus p raised to 3 दिया है. Now whenever such equations come, try to correlate it with this type of result. Understood this? Now x raised to 4 minus p raised to 4. Now ये minus p क्यों लिया हमने? क्योंकि अगर ये minus p मैं नहीं लूंगा तो यहाँ पे ये plus आएगा नहीं. Got it? तो similar होगा ही नहीं. Understood this? Okay. So what we will do is, because ultimately we want minus over here. That's our ultimate goal. So if this is positive, we have to make it negative. That is why we took minus p raised to 3 over here. So now we had only this equation. Now we want to bring it to this level. So we have to find a, we need x minus a also. So what we did is x minus minus p upon x minus minus p. Now 4 x raised to 4 minus minus p raised to 4 upon क्या कर दिया आपने? इसको इधर ले आए और यहाँ पे भी divided. So this came over here in the numerator and x minus minus p in the denominator. Is this clear? अगर ये division multiply करूँगा तो ये again reverse हो जाएगा. But I want it in this format. So once we get this equation, it is comparable with this. Now, what is the solution? N into a raised to n minus 1. So what is n? 4 into minus p raised to 3 and 3 into minus p raised to 2 कैसा आया? 3 minus 1 2. 3 कैसा आया? 4 minus 1 3. We cancel this. So 4 by 3 minus p is the answer. Question 30. Limit x tends to 3. X raised to 6 minus 729 upon x raised to 4 minus 81. Now we'll simplify this. X raised to 6 minus ये 3 है. So 3 raised to 6 is 729 upon x raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4. We'll multiply both the side with x minus 3 upon x minus 3, which is equal to x raised to 6 minus 3 raised to 6 upon x minus 3. Divide is important step. Divide x raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4 upon x minus 3. Using the result x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. Now, which is equal to, this is comparable with this. So n is 6 into a is 3, n minus 1 is 5. Divided to upon 4 into 3 raised to 3, which is equal to, cancel 3 cubes, so 27 upon 2. Question number 14. Limit x approaches minus 2, x raised to 10 minus 1024 upon x raised to 5 plus 32, which is equal to x raised to 10 minus minus 2 raised to 10 upon x raised to 5 minus minus 2 raised to 5. 2 steps में ही आंसर आ जाएगा. Okay, you multiply with x minus minus 2 upon x minus minus 2 is equal to x raised to 10 minus minus 2 raised to 10 upon x minus minus 2. Divide. Please don't forget this. Divide x raised to 5 minus minus 2 raised to 5 upon x minus minus 2. Using result x raised to n minus limit x tends to a raised to n minus x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1 is equal to 10 into minus 2 raised to 9 upon 5 into minus 2 raised to 4. 2 into minus 2 raised to 5, which is equal to 2 into minus 32 is equal to minus 64. 15th sum, x approaches minus 1, x raised to 2017 plus 1 upon x raised to 2018 minus 1. X raised to 2017 minus 1 raised to 2017 upon x raised to 2018 minus 1 raised to 2018. Now minus 1 raised to 2017 is negative, but this negative and this negative becomes positive. Okay, over here this will be positive, so positive of negative will become negative. Now we multiply with x minus minus 1 upon x minus minus 1 is equal to x 2017 minus minus 1 2017 upon x minus minus 1 divide. Okay, x raised to 2018 minus minus 1 raised to 2018 upon x minus minus 1 using limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. What we get is 2017 into minus 1 raised to 2016 upon 2018 into minus 1 raised to 2017, which is equal to, this will ultimately become positive. So 2017 upon, this will become negative, minus 2018. 16 sum, limit x tends to 1, x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 raised to 7 by 2. Can I say this? 1 raised to anything is going to remain 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 into x minus 1 upon x minus 1, which is equal to x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 raised to 7 by 2 upon x minus 1 divided by x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 upon x minus 1 using rule limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a, which is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1 is equal to, what is n? 7 by 2 into, what is a? 1. A is equal to 1 into 7 by 2 minus 1. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's going to remain the same. Upon 3 by 2 into, again 1, which is equal to, now ये 2 नीचे आ जाएगा, ये 2 ऊपर, so cancel, is equal to 7 by 3. Answer. Question number 17. Limit x tends to 1 minus 1 upon under root of x minus 1. Now over here we will take x raised to 1 by 3. ये सबको पता चला ये cube root of x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 doesn't make a difference upon x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. Now what will multiply with x minus 1, x minus 1, okay, which is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 upon x minus 1 divided by x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 raised to 1 by 2 upon x minus 1, which is equal to, before writing this always write using rule x raised limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into, again 1, and over here 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 by 3.